So this is a review of the FALETO holographic hat that I would highly recommend. You can see that the quality speaks for itself. It is holographic. It changes different patterns. I like the rainbow, different color effects in the certain sunlight areas. You can see that it does change colors in the sunlight. It is really attractive and it changes colors and different patterns that you can see here. What I also like about this hat is that it is adjustable as well too. So it has like a strap where you could adjust the size to however liking you want. Overall, I would highly recommend this hat since it does attract attention and it really stands out from the crowd. So if you're looking for a hat that stands out from the crowd, then this hat really will do the job. And overall, I would highly recommend this hat since the gold color looks really amazing too. The videos don't do the justice, and overall, I would highly recommend this hat since the quality is extremely high quality. And overall, I just love this hat because you could see that how well the colors, it changes into different patterns. And I would highly recommend this hat if you are going to a special occasion or party. Then this is probably one of the best hats that you could get.